Okay, this is a brand new carburetor, as you can see. And the one problem I have with this is you can see the marks on there, but there's nothing, indicator, I just don't see it. So I'm gonna loosen these up. Try and see if I can get that, maybe. There's one. Two. Should be one more down here. Okay, that's three. See, and there's that mark right there. So that's what I need to see right there. And then from there, I can work. You see the butterfly moves up and down. So that's much better. I'm not sure why they had it turned so far back, but tighten it up and I'll end up calling it a day here shortly. Okay, that's it for now. I'm not sure why, but you can see that little mark right there that I'm talking about, right there. So I'm not sure why they had it clear back here, but my wires, instead of being right here, were clear over this way, and they should be almost up and down, maybe kick just a little bit, 2 or 3 of these silver lines, but no, I'll probably redo this wire. I don't like that setup. But anyways, I just needed to verify that that line was on there and that the spring that's in here wasn't bad. And with that, cool.